again, Mike from the Charles Mill Marina. Standing here in our showroom today, really sharp Qwest behind me. It's a Qwest RLS 18. It's in black and mantis green. Really sporty look, lots of fun. Come on aboard, let me show you what we love about this boat. So, as we get the first look on here, it's a flooring that you don't see very often. This almost looks like a wooden plank that's a dark gray the whole way through the boat. So a really sharp looking floor that we know is going to last and be really durable through the years of use. As we start toward the front of the boat, you see the furniture package here. It has the green accents that match the outside, really nice, and a new seating structure this year where you just lift those seats and it opens right up for you. Plenty of storage under there and a really cool matting system to keep your boat dry and avoid the mildew on it. As we go a little further toward the back of the boat, most important seat as you go, the captain's chair, to make sure they're important. Lots of features here that your captain's going to love. From the digital dash, the tilt steering, the Bluetooth stereo, and obviously a cup holder to make sure your captain is well hydrated. Lots of options here for that driver for you. Finally, we head towards the back. These are a little bit smaller seat, but perfect for one person to enjoy, hang out and enjoy this a little bit of space. They do feature a USB port where you can stick a cell phone in here, make sure you're charging through the day so that you can do everything that you want to do on your day on the lake. With any boat we sell here at the Charles Mill Marina, we do offer delivery anywhere in the state of Ohio at no charge, as well as a full safety package, on-water lesson, a couple fenders, and a full tank of gas. Every boat we also sell does have a full mooring cover to keep your boat clean all season long. Also, we offer titling services and boat registrations here in-house. If you think this is the boat for you, feel free to give us a call or text us at 419-368-5951. We'll see you soon.